Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Hive app account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Hive app. Here, you'll have to enter your username or email address associated with your account and your valid password. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgotten Password link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Create Account link. After entering your details, click on the Login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Hive app account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.